Namaskaram. Today we will discuss about BCD to Gray code converter. BCD to Gray code converter. First of all, what is Gray code converter? So here, a Gray code converter is also known as a cyclic code. Gray code converter is also known as a cyclic code or reflected binary code. Reflected binary code or reflected binary RRB or cyclic code CC. Okay, so here the gray code converter is also known as cyclic code or reflected binary code or reflected binary. And here the cyclic code or reflected binary code or reflected binary or gray code or gray code is defined as an ordering of the binary number system such that each incremental value can only differ by one bit. Okay, so in gray code, while transversing from one step to another step, only one bit in the code group changes. Okay, so that is to say the two adjacent code numbers differ from each other by only also one bit. So here the gray code is the most popular of the unit distance codes, but it is not suitable for arithmetic operations. But here the gray code is most popular of unit distance codes. Most popular of unit distance codes, but it is not suitable for arithmetic operations. Not suitable for arithmetic operations. So for here, the gray code has some applications in analog to digital converters as well as being used for error corrections in digital communication. So gray code can be difficult to understand initially but becomes much easier to understand when looking at the gray code. So we can see the gray code table. We can understand the gray code converter. So now we can see the gray code table. So here this is and here decimal numbers. Decimal numbers and binary numbers. And gray code number. Binary numbers, decimal numbers, and gray code numbers. Okay. For decimal numbers 0, the binary numbers will be also 0, 0, 0, 0. For 4-bit binary numbers, okay, for 4-bit binary numbers, So here decimal number 0 and binary numbers also 4-bit binary numbers 0000 and Greek code numbers 0000. Decimal number 1, binary number 1000. The gray code is also 1000. And decimal number 2, the binary code, not binary number, binary code. The binary code is 0100 and the gray code is 1100. Decimal number 3. The binary code is 1100. The gray code is 0100. Decimal number 4. The binary code is 0010 and the gray code is 0110. Okay. Decimal number 5. The binary code is 0101. The gray code is 1110. The decimal number 6. Decimal number 6 0110. The gray code is 1010. 1010. A decimal number 7. The binary code is 1110. The gray code is 0010. And the decimal number 8. The binary code is 0001. Okay, and here the gray code is 0011. 9. For decimal number 9. 1001. Binary code is 1001 and the gray code is 1011. Okay. And for decimal number 10, the binary code is 0101 and the gray code is 1111 and the binary number or decimal number 11. The binary code is 1101 and the gray code for decimal number 11 is 0111. For 12, the binary code is 0011. The gray code is 0101. 13. For 13, binary code is 1011. 1011. The gray code is 1101. For 14, the binary code is 0111. The gray code is 1001. For 15, The binary code is 1111. The gray code is 0001. Okay, so here this is the gray code table, and then this is the gray code table. Okay, and then we will discuss about binary to gray code converter. So ఇప్పుడు మనం గ్రే కోడ్ కన్వర్టర్ అంటే ఏంటో చూసాం. సో ఇప్పుడు then we will discuss about BCD or binary to gray code converter. Okay, so here the logical circuit which converts the binary code to equivalent gray code is known as binary to gray code converter. Okay, so here the BCD or binary to gray code converter is defined as the logical circuit which converts the binary code to equivalent gray code. Equivalent gray code is known as binary to gray code converter. Okay, so once again, what is that? Here the logical circuit which converts the binary code to equivalent gray code is known as binary to gray code converter. Okay, so here an n-bit gray code can be obtained by reflecting an n1 bit n2 1 bit code about an axis after 2 power n minus 1 rows and putting the MSB means most significant bit. Most significant bit of 0 above the axis and the most significant bit of 1 below the axis. So here the reflection of gray codes is shown in the diagram. So sorry, a diagram draw cheskoni diagram kaadu table. Okay, so this is the decimal number, 4-bit binary number, and here this is 4-bit gray code. Four-bit gray code decimal number. Okay, so here the 4-bit binary numbers are A, B, C, and D. So here the 4-bit gray code numbers is G4, G1, G2, G3, and G4. Okay, so here decimal number 0. Here the 4-bit binary number is
0000.
And here the 4-bit gray code. 4-bit gray code is also
0000.
and for decimal number 1. The 4-bit binary number is
1000.
means here 2 power n minus 1 that is 2 power okay. So for decimal number 1, the 4-bit gray code is
1000.
2 2
0100.
gray bit 4-bit gray code is
1100.
3
1100.
1100. The 4-bit gray code is 0100. 4 4
0010.
and 4-bit binary code is
0110.
5
010.
4-bit binary code 4-bit binary code is
1110.
6 4-bit binary code is
0110.
4-bit gray code
1010.
okay. And for decimal number 7 decimal number 7 4-bit binary is 4-bit binary number is 1110 0010 and 8 is 0001 okay. Okay, so 4-bit gray code for decimal number 8 is 0011 or 9. The 4-bit binary number 1001 for 4-bit gray code for decimal number 9 is 1011 for 10 the 4-bit binary number is
0101.
here
1111.
11 for 11 101 1101
Yeah, this is 0111.
the gray code is 4-bit gray code is 011 for 11, for 12. 12. The 4-bit binary number,
4-bit binary number is 0011.
the 4-bit gray code is
101.
13. For 13,
1011.
the 4-bit gray code is
1101.
14. The 4-bit binary number is
0111.
the 4-bit gray code is
1001.
for 15. The 4-bit binary number is
1111.
the 4-bit gray code is
0001.
okay. So here that means in 4-bit gray code, a 4 to 1 or 3-bit code is reflected against the axis drawn after the 2 power
4 minus 1.
2 power 4 minus 1 or 8th row. Okay, so here the binary to gray code converter circuit is, you can see that, and then we will discuss about the binary to gray code converter circuit is. So here it has 4 binary inputs, that is okay. So and this is A and okay. So here this is A. So G4. This is B. Okay. G2, C. And this is D. Okay. So here this is the logic circuit for binary to gray code converter. Logic circuit for binary to gray code converter. Okay. So here how to convert binary to gray code. So here the most significant bit of the gray code will be exactly equal to the first bit of the given binary number, and here the second bit of the code will be exclusive or it means exclusive OR of the first and second bit of the given binary number. That is, if both the bits are same, the result will be 0, and if they are different, the result will be 1. Okay, and the third point is, so here the third bit of gray code will be equal to the exclusive OR of the second third bit of the given binary number. Thus the binary to gray code conversion goes on. So here, for example, an example is given. So say we have a binary number, for example 01001, so which we wish to convert to gray code. So let's go through an example of how would perform this conversion. So here the most significant bit is kept the same, as the most significant bit of the binary is 0, and the MSB of the gray code will be 0. So as well, first gray bit, and second one. So here the next, take the exclusive OR of the first and the second binary bit. So here the first bit is 0, first bit is 0, and the second bit is 1. First bit is 0 and the second bit is 1. So here the bits are different, so the resultant gray bit will be 1. Okay, so that means here
01001.
so here this is the example. Okay, so first 0
And second one 0 plus 1.
0 plus 1. Okay,
And next one 1 plus 0.
okay,
And 0 plus 0.
0 plus 0, and last one is
0 plus 1.
0 plus 1.
So here the result is 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1, 1.
Okay, so here this is binary,
And here this is gray code conversion.
this is binary to gray code converter. So here okay, so here this is the example of binary to gray code converter. So here this is the binary number. Okay, this is the binary number. So here this will be written as for 0, and here this is 0 plus 1. Okay, and 1 plus 0, and 0 plus 0, and 0 plus 1. Okay, so here 0 and 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, and 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1, 2. So here the binary number is 01001, and to gray code converter. Gray code converter కదా, సో దీని బైనరీ నెంబర్ దీన్ని తీసుకుంటే, సో దీన్ని గ్రే కోడ్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది 01101. సో బైనరీ నెంబర్ 01001 దాన్ని గ్రే కోడ్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే 01101 or 1010. Okay, so here this is the example of binary to gray code converter. Okay, and here this is the logic circuit of binary to gray code converter. Okay, so here this is about binary to gray code converter. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.